to sit here, the same way we're sitting with this background, on such a day like today, 60 years from now, with peace around, and enjoy like we have been enjoying the last days of the 60th anniversary of Israel, the same way, not more. That would be enough of a wish. The addition should be peace, should be shalom. And then this is more than enough. The achievements are more than enough in every respect. So if we can keep the pace and we can keep this going on with peace around, for sure we'll be 60 years from now, 120, and for sure it's not my generation that will see it, but my children will be able to sit here, being interviewed in freedom, in democracy, and the same way we're doing now. I was raised in a very Zionist environment. My connections to Israel go from, I would say, from even my first memories. My father came first time to Israel, to Palestine 1947 to see part of the family. And so I didn't know maybe to speak Spanish, but the name of Israel was in my mind. And then I came to study, and I've been involved in this relation between Jews and Israel for many, many years, because I think it's a Jewish need. It's not an Israel need. I think it's a Jewish need to be together, and that is my philosophy. Maybe I'm not religious, maybe I'm a little too secular, but this connection for me, it's more than a religion. It's survival, it's support, it's partnership, and I think this is what brings us to this day, such a happy day, such a good day, and very good.